Good morning, everybody. 2016 Mustang, code P2303 2304, ignition coil B, which is cylinder number 2, circuit high, circuit low. I found a broken wire inside the harness, and I'll show you that and what it looked like before I soldered it and what it looked like after, and put everything back together, cleared the code, everything's good to go. So enjoy. Here you can see the P2303 P2304. This is an IDS 23OT 2303 primary circuit low, and 2304, which is right below it, circuit high. And I'll go over here, PTS Oasis, kind of show you the little what the connector looks like, where to test at, and all that good stuff. Basically, a little pinpoint check. Pinpoint test JF, Juliet Foxtrot. And I'm checking for voltage. And it's supposed to be at 10.6 volts, and it wasn't. It was at like 0.1 something. And this is after I cut it, get ready to solder it. Put some heat shrink on it, and then wrap everything back in the harness. So it'll go together like that. Then everything will get taped up. So that's after. It's soldered together, heat shrink. It's got that nice little goo that comes out of it. Plug it back in, and then I'll wrap the whole harness back up, which looks like that. And this is after I fixed it. Put the cloth tape around it. Made sure everything was weather tight, and cleared the codes, test drove the vehicle, everything's good to go.